This is Algebra Lesson 1.1, Order of Operations. So, in this lesson, we're going to be using order of operations to evaluate numerical expressions. Hopefully, PEMDAS is something familiar to you that you've used before. But basically, it's telling you what order you should find pieces of an answer to get to the whole answer. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A for addition. And S for subtraction. The thing to keep in mind is when you are doing this, you do the parentheses first, you do the exponent second, but you don't always do multiplication third. Multiplication and division are equal operations, meaning you do them left to right as they appear in your expression. Same thing with addition and subtraction. You do them as they appear left to right in your expression. So it is possible for a subtraction to come before an addition, like you might see down here in letter F. This subtraction would come before this addition, but subtraction and addition would always both come after multiplication and division. Okay, so let's give this a go. Letter A has 3 plus 7 minus 9 times 6 minus 2. So we're going to do the parentheses first. We have 6 minus 2, which is 4. But everything else is going to stay the same. 3 plus 7 minus 9 times 6 minus 2 is now 4. So now we don't have any exponents, so we're going to do our multiplication and division next as they appear left to right. We have a multiplication here, so we're going to do 9 times 4, which is 36. 3 stays the same, 7 stays the same, and the minus stays there. So next we're going to do our addition and subtraction as they appear left to right. So addition first, 3 plus 7 is 10, and then we have the minus 36 is still there. And then finally we have the minus, so 10 minus 36 is negative 26, and that is that. Letter B is, okay, letter B, we're going to do 4 plus 5 in parentheses minus 6 times 2. So parentheses first. In our parentheses, you see a 4 plus 5. That is 9. We'll keep everything else the same. No exponents. Multiply next. I see a 6 times 2, and that is 12. We'll keep everything else the same. And last, we have a subtraction. 9 minus 12. Our final answer is negative 3. Letter C shows me 5 plus 10 divided by 2 plus 7. We're going to do the division first. We don't have any parentheses. We don't have any exponents. We don't have any multiply. Division is 10 divided by 2 is 5. Everything else stays the same. Now we'll do the addition left to right. So we do the 5 plus 5 first. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 10 plus 7 for our final addition is 17. Letter D shows me 4 plus 3 squared times 6. No parentheses, so we're going to do the exponent first. 4 stays 4. 3 to the power of 2 is the same as 3 times 3, which is 9. Next, we'll do the multiplication. 9 times 6 is 54. And finally, we'll do the addition. 4 plus 54 is 58. Letter E shows me a big fraction. We have 7 plus 15 on the top and 15 minus 4 on the bottom. So we are going to add the two numbers on the top because there is implied parentheses when a expression is written this way. So 7 plus 15 is 22, and on the bottom 15 minus 4 is 11, and if we divide 22 divided by 11 we get 2. Last one. Whew. Okay. We have 18 times the quantity of 9 minus 7 to the power of 3 minus 2 plus 5. So we're going to start with our parentheses. In our parentheses here we have 9 minus 7, which is 2. I'm going to change that to a multiplication. dot, because when we have a number in front of parentheses, that means multiply. But we're going to keep everything else the same. Next, we're going to do our exponent. That would be 2 to the power of 3. 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Everything else stays the same. Now we'll do our multiplication. 18 times 8 is not something that I can do in my head, but we can do that quickly on the side. So this is the one that I pointed out earlier. PEMDAS sounds like the A comes before the S, the add comes before the subtract, but we're going to do addition and subtraction as they appear left to right. We're going to do 144 minus 2 first. We are not going to do 2 plus 5 first. So 144 minus 2 is 142, and then we'll do the plus 5. That leaves us with 147 for our final answer. And letter B, a caterer charges a setup fee of $50 plus $20 per person. A customer has a coupon for $100 off the total. How much would the caterer charge if 35 people attend the party? We have a $50 setup fee plus $20 per 35 people. And we have a coupon for $100 off. So to evaluate this, we're going to do the multiplication first. 20 times 35, keeping everything else the same. Then we'll do the addition next. That'll be $750. And then with our $100 off, this party costs us $650. That is it for the notes. Good luck on the exercises, and please let me know if you have any questions.